Here I am again with take 2 of core number 5 query requests keyboard only. So I'm not allowed to use this mouse here. Let's see how I get on with it. Oops, first of all I've moved the mouse to the wrong place. Just get back to focus that I had. Right, let's carry on from that. I've clicked on the mouse once. Now I'm going to try not to touch it. So what we have to do is we have to remove this query block I've got here and basically recreate it. The first thing we need to do in step 7 is to go to step 8, I don't know where it is to press open the block list view. That's Shift, Alt and O. There's the block list view. Now I can navigate down by moving the down and up buttons, and I can get to the columns block here, which I want to delete. So now I'm going to press Alt Shift O again, and now I have the columns block. Should I be able to delete it by pressing delete key or pressing Control Z? No. Right, how do I get to the deleter? Let's just try tabbing around. So what has happened is it's put it into select mode by doing that, and you can see that the little arrow at the top there. Now let's see if I can press the delete key. Right, I've now deleted it. Now if I press enter, it is probably given me the opportunity to insert a block, so I can insert the columns block. And now, before I don't do anything else, I can now move the cursor left and right to go and choose between one of the variations. I need the 2 columns equal split, so I'll choose that one. Again, I got the 2 columns displayed. If I press enter, I might be able to get somewhere. That didn't work, so I pressed the right key and it's now hovering over add block. Press enter, good. And I can now choose by tabbing to get to the second pane, and then cursor movement to get to that, and I can add in my heading, and my heading is going to be issues. Now I'm going to press enter and I can type in a query block, and I can choose the one I want, which is going to be the small one. Again by tabbing. If I go down, I don't think there's any way to get to the inherit query from Earl field, so never mind, we'll do that later. And now we've added that in. Now I need to get to the sidebar to go and change that one. Opening the sidebar is supposed to be Control Shift and comma. Well, that doesn't do anything, so we'll just go and do tabbing around. There it is, settings. We've got it open. Now I need to go into the query block and change that one. So I'm currently in the query loop and I need to go up. How do I do that? Tab around again. Select query. I've lost the sidebar. It was easier than the first time round. Oh no, I'm not there yet. Now I seem to be in the bookmark, or breadcrumbs down the bottom. So I want to go to query. I can't get to query. I can go to column or query or columns. I'm stuck there. Right, where are we going? What's this open save panel? I don't want to save it. Escape. I can't do it. Well, it worked the last time I did it when I wasn't recording it. I did manage to get and close down the X. I don't know how I did it. More luck than judgment. There we go, we got to save, it shows settings, then we've got global styles, then we've got more tools and options, then we go to add column. Keep going, select columns. Where are we now? And finally got to close panel. Close panels, good. What was all that about? So I'm still trying to get back to the... Let's do this. Shift Alt O. And I'm going to go to the query, and it's the query I want to change. No, it's not. It's the query loop I want to change. Is that it? I selected it. Still can't get to the sidebar. Right, I'm going to give up.